Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to reverse a video in Canva. Currently, you cannot reverse a video in Canva by itself. Right now, there is no built-in feature in Canva that allows you to reverse a video. But there is a way to reverse a video in Canva. Let's see how to do it. For example, I have this video where a red car is moving forward. Unfortunately, there's no way inside Canva to reverse it and make the car move backward. So, since Canva doesn't offer this feature, we have to use a third-party tool. First, let's download the video from Canva. Click on Share, then Download. Make sure to set the file format to MP4. You can also choose the quality. For example, I'll select 1080p resolution. Then click Download. Now, go to Google and search for Reverse Video Tool. That's the tool we are looking for. Once you're there, you'll see an option to upload your video. Just select your file from your device or drag and drop your file into the Upload section. The upload speed will depend on your internet connection and the size of your video. In my case, this is a small file, so it only takes a few seconds. Once the video is uploaded, simply scroll down and click the Reverse Video button. The tool will process the video, and within a short time, you'll be able to preview it. If you play the new video, you'll see that the car is now moving backward, exactly what we wanted. To save it, just click the Save button, and the reversed video will download directly to your computer. Now, if you want to bring it back into Canva, simply upload the new video or drag and drop the reversed file onto your project. Delete the original video and place the new reversed video. And that's it. Since Canva doesn't have a built-in reverse option, using a third-party tool is the best solution for now.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.